Hello peoples, it's me, it's your girl Olivia. As you know, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for your service. Just kidding, no. But yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button and that like and comment and all the other stuff. Anyways, welcome. How are you doing? Yeah, write in the comments, tell me how you're doing today, let me know. But yeah, if you're like on Instagram, Facebook, you saw me just try to do this look, and I had a hard time with it. I really did. Anyways, but yeah, as you saw in the title, today we're gonna be doing an eyeliner. As you can see, I'm not wearing any eyeliner except for the bottom lash line, but for now, I'm just gonna be working on a normal cat eye winged liner. So let's get into that, shall we? Alright everyone, so as you just heard, I'm gonna be starting to do my wing liner. Sorry about this, I'm trying to get my angle set up pretty alright for y'all. There we go, looks good, wink and boom. Here we go, so we're gonna get started. Sorry about all my fucking pores, and yeah. Damn, my lashes are fucking long. Alright, we're gonna be using the e.l.f. winged liner liquid eyeliner, I don't know, the e.l.f. eyeliner, you know what it is. Alright, so I'm just gonna get this bitch open, and there we go. Now you see it has a pointy tip, like it's thin, pointy, brush-like. It looks clumpy, but it's really not. It's just the liquid. Anyways, so we're gonna get going on our eyes. So what the first you're gonna do is do a little flick, like a flick, boom, flick, a boom. There we go. And you fill it in, and you line it up. And then we're gonna kind of even it out, make it all straight and shit. Flick, another flick. Okay, now we're gonna come to the top and just bring it down to the lash line, and like boom, 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 flick, right? So you flick it in, flick, fill it in. Yeah, you fill it in, and then you do that middle thing where you fill it in, and then you drag it to the middle. And then you go to the middle, not the middle, you go to the corner of the eye. Fuck, I'm tired. You go to the corner of the eye, and you fill it in to the other side. Be careful not to overline it, it'll look stupid. Yeah, so then you just kind of keep filling along the lash line. Check your bottle, make sure you got liquid in it. Alright, now we're gonna fill it in some more so you don't see any white because you don't want any of that shit, Alright, and then we're gonna go and fill that in some more. Basically just filling it in, Okay. Then we're gonna even this out one last time. Be careful, super careful, and then you flick it, and look at that. So sharp you can cut a bitch. And I have before. And wink. Look at that. Alright, next one. This one is not as good, but Alright, the second one's always shitty. And then you just do the same thing, flick. Oops, fuck, I already fucked up. Alright, keep going. We good. Oh, fucked up again. Oh, shit. Girl, you going too fast. Slow down. Just fill. Okay. Alright, she doing what she wants, fill it in. Alright. Damn it, fuck. She be fucking up all the fucking time. Alright, fill it in. She gonna be filling it in. It looks shitty on the eye, oh my goodness. Alright, line up the inner corners, the outer corners, line that shit up. Flick that, make that sharp as hell. Oh, look that sharp. It looked perfect. And then I'm about to fuck it up. Just wait. Watch. I'm looking for some Q-tips. Q-tips, looking for Q-tips. And found them. Right? And look at that. Ooh. Dusty. Just kidding, it's not dusty. Alright, then we're gonna wipe that off, even though I did a perfectly good job on it. On that flick. Right? Look at that flick. All I just need to do is a straight line. But watch me fuck it up one more time. And straight line. Oh, fuck. See, I curved it. Now I made the thing too thick. Now it looks like a friggin' bird wing or something. Looks like a bird's on my eye ready to poop. Like, its tail's hanging off of my eye and it's gonna poop on my cheek. That's where highlighter comes from, kids. Just so you know. Alright, and that's how you do that winged eyeliner look. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Ooh, boom, bitch, yes, smile, gorgeous, go.